So there are 3 reasons why I like using this Therapy stainless steel cleaner. One of them is the ease of use. As you can see, I'm applying this on a microfiber towel, and I'm gonna use this to buff out this stainless steel microwave cover. And as you can see, it's very easy to apply, right? I don't apply it on the product itself or on the item itself, but rather on a towel. And I use a small amount. And as you can see, it does the job very well. And this is my first pass. I'll do a second pass to kind of buff out any residual stuff. So the second reason is that there's that much residue. It's not super oily or super chemically, and it kind of just fades in after you buff it out. And the third reason is the smell. So this is the lavender smell, and it's very faint. It's not too strong. It's not too strong, and it doesn't have like that chemical smell. So this is a biodegrade spray, so it's supposed to be very safe to use. And overall, it's a very easy product to use, and I have no issues using it to clean or buff out stainless steel appliances like this microwave, for example.